Another assumption says that our dependent variable, so differences, our dependent variable should not contain significant outliers. We can do this one of two ways. We can look at our actual data and say, okay, there's not anything insane here. You know, if we had a significant outlier, it might look like negative 20 or 200. That would be a significant outlier because that value does not kind of cluster around the mean of this data, right? Another way we can determine that is by looking at a histogram of our data. Looking at this, we can see this is a fairly normally, shaped curve. If we had any crazy outliers, we would have insane amounts of white space here, and then we would maybe have an outlier here, or a bar here, some value here, or we would have white space and a value here. But we can see that these are fairly, they're squished together pretty well. There's no, crazy amounts of white space here. So we can say in this data set in particular that the assumption that our dependent variable should not contain any significant outliers is in fact met.